Three people have been charged by the Financial Investigations Division, FID, in what the agency is describing as a sophisticated bank fraud and suspected money mule operation. A young woman is among the three people implicated in the scheme discovered days ago. Jamaica Maitland reports.
The Financial Investigations Division, FID, says it has uncovered a money mule operation which led to the arrest of one woman and two men last week. They are 24-year-old Ashanti Johnson, 37-year-old Kevin Bentley, and 54-year-old David Brevet. They've been charged under the Proceeds of Crime Act, the Larceny Act, and the Cybercrimes Act. According to the FID, the accused participated in a scheme involving the unauthorized access of several bank accounts called Mule accounts to transfer funds to the main suspects over a period of time.
The use of money mule accounts therefore helps to conceal key players in criminal networks. The public is urged to exercise proper due diligence when accepting deposits on behalf of others, particularly when it involves sharing debit cards or PINs.
Chief Technical Director of the FID, Dennis Strong, says the scheme is usually used by fraudsters or money launderers to move illicit funds into the formal banking system. Oftentimes, too, there are unsuspecting account holders. They deposit the illicit funds and then transfer them into the funds of people in the criminal network. When asked whether the trio were directly involved, communication specialist at the FID, Garth Williams, declined to comment. Mr. Williams said it is an active investigation. The woman and men are to appear in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on April 10. TVJ News understands that the scheme collected over $2 million. As if warning the public of the consequences, Dennis Chung says ignorance is not a defense in these crimes. Mr. Chung is appealing to young professionals, job seekers, and unemployed people to be cautious of these types of criminal activities. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.